Morning all, this is Simon of Travel Agent Hanoi, bringing Vietnam to you wherever you are in the world. So today we are taking the train from Hue to Danang, going over one of the most scenic routes in Vietnam. It is just over 100 kilometers in length. It takes between 2.5 and 3.5 hours. Various times of the day, about 4 or 5 different times of the day. You can take a soft seat, hard seat, soft berth, four sleeper carriage, or a 6 berth hard sleeper. Those are tending to be for the longer journeys from like Hanoi to Ho Chi Minh, but for the short journey Hue to Da Nang you only really need a soft seat. It's air conditioned as well, so you can sit there in a little bit of comfort. So we will be doing this in about 30 minutes, and we will show you the whole trip by video. Enjoy! Cheers!